Welcome to the new and improved Repair Capabilities tool for Honeywell Aerospace. This tool has been redesigned to help you determine the ideal repair site based on a wide variety of criteria. You can now find product easily by using the new, improved auto selections, and you can search multiple parts using any combination of recent searches or manually keying your entries. Repair sites and capabilities are listed for each part number and can be refined using the available filter functions. Results will show each site's repair capability and which certifications are offered, so you'll know exactly where to send your part based on the type of repair and certification you need. Select each site for additional details such as where to send your product or administration information. Stay tuned for additional updates and improvements to the Honeywell Aerospace tools and applications.